Hello Amazon sellers. Do you know Amazon has a dedicated program to help new sellers and startups? It's called Amazon Launchpad. It was launched back in August 2019. Many of us heard about it but didn't have a full understanding of it. Today I will discuss everything you need to know about Amazon Launchpad and how to enroll in it. I'm Mehedi from Ecomclips and welcome to another e-commerce session of Ecomclips. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. So, what is Amazon Launchpad? Amazon Launchpad helps new sellers by providing resources, expertise, and global support. Its mission is to support new sellers who create, sell, and deliver innovative products. Launchpad accelerates new businesses and flourishes in the world of Amazon. It offers benefits like onboarding guidance, training, materials, and product discoverability. Also, support to help your business maximize its success in Amazon stores. Requirements to join. To be a part of the Amazon Launchpad, you have to fulfill some requirements. First, you must be a professional seller on Amazon. You should be relatively a new seller in Amazon's store. That means you list your first item in Amazon's store less than 4 years ago. Your 12-month gross merchandise sales have to be less than 5 million USD. Also, you have to be the brand owner of your listed products. During your participations in Launchpad, you should also agree to some conditions to stay on the program. You must fulfill customer orders for your products using Fulfillment by Amazon or Seller Fulfillment Prime. Your product must maintain at least 3.5 stars and have at least 5 reviews. You must maintain a professional selling plan. Your account must be in good standing. Order defect rate of 1% or less. Cancellation rate of 2.5% or less and late shipment rate of 4% or less. How to apply? You can apply for Launchpad by going to the Amazon Launchpad landing page. When you click on Apply Now, Amazon will take you to the Amazon Launchpad application. You must fill up the application and submit it. On submitted, Amazon will evaluate your application within 7 to 10 business days and they will respond to you. Minimum commitment and cancellation. When you apply for Launchpad, you agree to participate in Launchpad for a minimum of 12 months. These 12 months will count from the day Amazon accepts your application. After this time period, you can cancel the participation by providing 30 days written notice through an exit survey. Okay, I'm bored now talking about requirements and conditions. Now, let's focus on advantages you will get if you enroll in Launchpad. Discoverability. Amazon Launchpad offers your products great discoverability. Launchpad has its own marketplace within Amazon. This will separate your items from the low quality competitions. Your listed items on Launchpad will be discoverable faster than other sellers. Your brand will get increased exposure on Amazon through Amazon Launchpad storefront placements. Also, through category focused email campaigns, your customers will be aware of your items and can check and buy them anytime. You will get wait fees for one lighting deal or 1/7 deal per week. Launchpad boosts the deal's discoverability with placement on the Amazon Launchpad deals page. Presentation. You can present your items with the premium A+ content. A highly customized experience with wide-screen formatted content. Premium A+ content enables you to add incorporate video, hotspot images, and enhanced comparison tables to your deal pages. With this, you can showcase your brand story and products with the unique content. Tools and support. Once enrolled in Launchpad, Amazon will guide you on pre-launched account setup, detail page optimization, and more. Amazon Brand Portal will provide a single destination to discover your items. You can stay on top of a growing list of benefits available to Amazon Launchpad brands. You will also get free access to Amazon Buy. It will boost your product rankings with early customer reviews. Global expansion. Amazon Launchpad allows you to sell globally in other Launchpad countries. There are 9 different Amazon Launchpad locals: USA, UK, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Australia, India, and Netherlands. Brand getting. When you enroll in Amazon Launchpad, Amazon will get your brand. It will prevent unauthorized sellers from selling the same products. Along with all the offerings and benefits, there are some things you should consider before joining Launchpad. In some aspects, you have to share your control over your business with Amazon because they are providing same expert guidance and you have to implement them. Also, once you get in the Launchpad, you cannot come off it before 12 months. There are nothing you can do if you are facing losses or certain changes of plan. You have to complete 12 months before cancelling the contract. Now let's know how much you need to pay. There is no additional upfront fee to enroll Amazon Launchpad, but you have to pay a 5% premium of each sales. The cost is in addition of 2 other costs such as referral fees, fulfillment fees, as well as the cost of your seller plan. But if you can break 1 million USD in sales, your cost can reduce to $3 per sale. Now the decision is yours to take. Will you enroll in Launchpad or not? So that's all for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and partners. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, bye bye.